sometimes you just gotta step away and do what you gotta do so that you can come back bigger, better, and stronger.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope this is not the first video that you are seeing, but if you are, go check out my other videos, child, and then you can decide if you want to like, comment, and subscribe. But to my oldies but goodies, my honeys, if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm in a Walmart parking lot, and I was like, let me make a video, because if I didn't post a video today, then I was going to be going on like 2 weeks with posting a video. And like, going a week without posting is like one thing, but going longer than that is like too much. However, this is not a video of me telling y'all that I'm finna get back consistent. We finna be popping with the content and the vlogs. If anything, it's more so of me saying bear with me, because I don't know when I will be back. That's just the honest to God truth. Hopefully, I don't know, I hope this isn't shaking. I got the air on, child. Y'all know it's hot as hell outside. But yeah, life is lifing. Life is lifing, and I just want y'all to keep me in y'all's prayers. A few of you guys have reached out, and I am okay. Okay, sorry y'all, the phone started overheating. But what I was saying is like health wise, physically, like I'm okay, family's okay, like all of that is good. I just have some stuff going on that I need to figure out, and I need to make the best decision for myself. Life lately has been really interesting. 2024 has been really interesting. The first year of my 30s has been very interesting. So listen, all my girlies in your 30s, like, or 40s, whoever, y'all chime in, and y'all, I want to make a safe space to where we can all come together and give each other words of encouragement, because you can plan, you can think you have stuff all figured out, and then you can ask for something and God gonna show up, baby. So you got to be careful what you ask for, because God will show up and show out, and it's not gonna come to you how you think it may come to you. You got to be specific when you ask for stuff, for sure. But yeah, 30s have been really interesting this year so far. Like, I've had 3 or 4 major things happen in this year alone, and I'm just like, wow. I feel like I'm a whole new person, and my life has changed forever. Like, it'll never be the same. It's crazy how stuff happens so quickly. But I thank God, I thank the Most High so much that I have been in counseling this entire time, because the old Sharnice a couple years ago probably would not be able to handle what she is handling right now. When I tell y'all I am cool, calm, and collected, but still going crazy at the same time. I just posted on my Instagram, on my story the other day, it said, are you able to multitask? It said something like that. Are you able to multitask? And the answer was yes. I'm literally going insane in my head, but I'm chill and cool, calm, and collected at the same time. And that's literally how I feel. Like, there's explosions all around me. I'm going crazy. My mind is all over the place. Yet I'm sitting here cool, calm, and collected, for the most part. And I think that's just because I've learned to, through counseling, I've learned to, you know, life is gonna life regardless, and it's how you react to it is what the outcome is. And so I guess I'm just trying to take it one day at a time. I'm trying to give myself grace. I'm trying to do what I gotta do, what's best for me. Sorry the air is on, y'all. It's hot, and I wanted to go ahead and make this video so I can get home and get it uploaded. But yeah, so I can't say that I'm going to be able to come on here not every day, but post at least weekly, just because I'm not feeling vlogging right now. I'm not feeling content. I'm not feeling none of that. I'm all in my head, and I'm trying to work on myself, and I'm trying to better myself, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do that while posting on the internet. I'm just going to be honest. And sometimes it be like that. YouTubers, like, we post our lives, and it's like sometimes life be lifing so much to where we can't post it. So just pray for me. It is what it is. You guys that stick around, I appreciate the continued support. I don't want to be coming over here with negative energy, and so that's why I don't want to be posting, because I do feel like energy transfers, and I feel like my purpose in life is to be a light in other people's lives, and when my light ain't shining bright, I can't help others. So I can't help others if I'm not helping myself. So I got to put myself first. It is what it is. Some updates is both of my babies was born. My niece and my godson was born. 2 big, beautiful, healthy babies. They look so precious. Sorry I can't show y'all. I can't be posting them all over the internet, okay? But they are home, and they're doing well, and they're being loved on, and I love them so much. That happened. Y'all see my hair is not purple anymore. That was like the trial run of me doing my whole head purple, and baby, I have decided not to, because the maintenance I ain't got time for, and I'm not even trying to deal with my hair right now, so I just dyed it back black. There's that. I'm trying, y'all seen my health video. If you didn't see my health video, go watch that. That's my health and wellness update video. I'm trying to, you know, focus on myself, focus on my mind, and losing weight, eating right, working out regularly, all that good stuff. So your girl is okay. I'm working on myself. I just can't share nothing with y'all right now. Like, it was hard enough just for me to cut this camera on to record this video for y'all, but I felt like I owed y'all some sort of explanation, just because some of y'all was reaching out, and I know I've kind of been building this channel for a while, and it's finally, you know, really taking off, and I hate to kind of put a break in there, but sometimes you just got to step away and do what you got to do so that you can come back bigger, better, and stronger. So there's that. I don't think there's really any other updates or anything else going on. All I can say is life is life, but your girl is good, and I'm gonna be back bitter, better, I can't talk, bigger, better, greater, whatever. I'm trying to become my best self so that I can give y'all my best self. So I just pray that y'all allow me the time to do that, and y'all stick around. Y'all can go check out my old videos that y'all have not seen, because your girl does post great content. Your girl does have some great videos on there. I think I'm almost up to 400 videos. So that's amazing. I love you guys so much. If you would like, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. All my girlies that just entered their 30s, please chime in the comments, because baby, 24 has been 24ing, 30 has been 30ing, and life has been lifing, okay? Life lately has been really, really interesting. But it's okay. We're gonna be great no matter what. So I'm taking the time to do what I gotta do for myself so that I can hopefully, you know, start 2025 off right before I turn 31 in January. What are y'all doing to end y'all's year off right and be in a better place? Think about that. Let me know in the comments. I love y'all. I'm gonna miss y'all. I have missed y'all. Oh, Dunkin', y'all, pumpkin spice is back, baby, and I did get it yesterday. I did get my pumpkin chai latte with almond milk and my pumpkin donut. I couldn't share it with y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm trying not to go crazy with it and have it every day. But I did try yesterday on the day that it came out. So yay, it's pumpkin spice season. I can't wait for cooler weather, baby, because this right here is not in. Anywho, I'll talk to y'all all day, but I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Follow me on Instagram, because I will probably be posting stories and stuff over there. Not too much, but yeah. Love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video, whenever that may be. Be great and make great choices.